This is our 20-foot long, under 2,000 pound van that's meant to replace UPS and Amazon trucks that weigh around 10,000 pounds, while this weighs only 1/5 that amount. And we plan on putting solar cells on the roof to make it so it never has to plug in, even though it also has a battery pack that can be recharged, and the battery pack will be good for about 100 miles. The battery pack is up on the other side to balance the weight of the and we have a nice display on the battery management system, and there's a speedometer and the information radio system. And as you can see, there is a jump seat, and on the other side there's an additional door for getting in. We bolted down 2 extra passengers for demonstration purposes, but normally those would not be there when hauling packages. We have McPherson strut type suspension in front with coil springs in the back, hub motors on each of the rear hubs, and underneath we have a novel torsion bar, anti-roll bar for mounting the tire drive system.